Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me, hi, my name is Ruhi and I really hope that you enjoy this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए so please drop a like और अगर आप और कंटेंट देखना चाहते हैं मेरी तरफ से तो please feel free to subscribe to my channel and join my family. And while you subscribe, don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon so that you guys know whenever I'm uploading a brand new video for you. Okay, so on that note, today's video is going to be a review of the Herbal Essences Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo as well as the conditioner. Obviously आप टाइटल से पढ़ चुके होंगे. इस Herbal Essences range का मैंने कोकोनट मिल्क शैम्पू का रिव्यू किया हुआ है sometime last year, जो मैं नीचे लिंक डाउन कर दूंगी, or you can click on the I button as well if you want to see a full detailed review on that shampoo conditioner, which was amazing by the way. So when that got over, I thought I'll give some other variant a try and I bought this because if you guys know, I have dry hair and I always look out for products which have moisture nourishment properties in them so that they can, you know, manage and tame my not very dry hair but sort of like a low dry hair, which simply means कि मेरे बाल बहुत dry नहीं हैं लेकिन फिर भी कलरिंग की वजह से थोड़े dry हैं, especially यहाँ से थोड़े हो जाते हैं. तो उसके लिए I always look out for such products which can actually put back the moisture into my hair. तो पैकेजिंग की बात कर लेती हूँ. पैकेजिंग मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. Fact, I enjoyed the packaging more than the coconut milk variant, which was a brown packaging. It was a little boring than this one. This looks really nice sitting in the washroom, and both are 400 ml bottles. You don't have a smaller size by the way available. और शैम्पू जो है इसका प्राइस 600 रुपीज़ है और कंडीशनर का 650 होता है. आपको नायका पे हमेशा डिस्काउंट पे मिल जाएंगे ये. मैंने तो वहीं से लिया था because this is available only on Nykaa, I believe. I'm not sure if Amazon carries it. If it does, I'll link it down below for you guys. So I always buy them at discount, so yeah. So as with all the Herbal Essences range, they don't have glutens and they don't have colorants. They are paraben free, but they are not chemical free range. Please guys, just note that they are not chemical free. They do have SLS, they do have dimethicone, and they do have a bunch of other chemicals listed down here. Argan oil जो है इनके यहाँ पे इनका ingredient list दिया हुआ है, and argan oil is pretty down on the ingredient list. I would say around third, fourth, sixth or fifth or sixth last ingredient, and उसके ठीक पहले aloe juice extract. Aloe juice है यहाँ पे कहीं पे आप, I mean obviously you won't see, but you know these key ingredients are pretty down on the list because they obviously are not used in a huge quantity. Now this range is basically for repair, जबकि जो coconut milk range थी that was for nourishment. So repairing the hair because of the damage that it faces day in day out, either because of pollution or because of using chemicals or heat treatment and this and that. So that's basically for repairing the hair. अब मैं सीधा पॉइंट पे उतर आती हूँ. ऑब्वियसली I have used both individually also and obviously together as well, and I just used it today also. मैंने बिना ऑयल किए आज ये शैम्पू कंडीशनर का कॉम्बो यूज़ किया है because मैं तेल लगाना भूल गई थी. तो I used it directly onto the hair, and you can see the hair are like pretty manageable. They are not very dry. They don't look that dry. So they are pretty, like it does a very good job in bringing back the nourishment and making the hair soft actually. खुशबू इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. It's got a very nice fragrance. I think argan oil fragrance है because it's a very familiar fragrance in all products that have argan oil. So the fragrance is really nice, and you know it's very mild also. It's not a very strong fragrance. It's pretty mild fragrance. Now everything is good about the shampoo. ये conditioner दोनों ही अगर आप individual भी use करते हैं तो भी आपको अच्छे results आते हैं, और अगर आप साथ में use करते हैं तो भी अच्छे results आते हैं. Like I used this conditioner even with my other shampoos, and it does a brilliant job in conditioning the hair, and so goes with the shampoo also. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने बाकी conditioners लगाए या hair mask लगाए हैं, and they go pretty well hand in hand. You know, they don't contradict each other. Like अगर इसके ऊपर अगर आप वाव का या सेंट बोटानिका कोई हेयर मास्क या कंडीशनर लगाते हैं, which is just the opposite of this, they don't have silicons and all of that, but it does a pretty good job. All by itself also they do a very good job. But I have one small problem with this range, and that is that honestly it makes your hair super soft, like really super soft. It makes your hair, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. But it also weighs down the hair, like you can see, like बाल ऐसे यहाँ से like बैठ गए हैं. अगर आपके straight बाल हैं मेरी तरह और fine hair हैं, तो there are chances that this may make your hair fall flat. Meaning it takes away the bounce from your hair. So if you have extremely straight hair, fine flat hair, yeah, chances are that this will weigh your hair down और आपके बाल और फ्लैट हो जाएंगे. जो है बॉडी को ये थोड़ा बालों से निकाल देता है, बिकॉज इट इज़ सो मॉइस्चराइजिंग टू द हेयर, बहुत सॉफ्ट करता है बालों को. And what I also found on the next day is that it just made my hair a little bit मतलब overly oily. There was no oil as such on my hair, but my hair just was so soft that वो ऐसे बैठ गए, and it almost looked like I have oil in my hair. If I can find a photo which I took that day on my phone, so I'll insert it right here, तो आप देख सकेंगे कि बाल जो है क्राउन एरिया से स्पेशली जो है काफ़ी बैठ गए थे, लाइक ऑयली से लग रहा था. एंड दैट वाज जस्ट द सेकेंड डे, इट वाज नॉट इवन लाइक थर्ड फोर्थ डे, सेकेंड डे का ही था. तो बस वो मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम जो है इसमें दिखती है. तो अगर आपके बहुत फ्रिजी बाल हैं, प्लस यू हैव लाइक कर्ली हेयर और समथिंग लाइक दैट, देन डेफिनेटली दिस वन विल वर्क फॉर यू, बिकॉज इट एक्चुअली कीप्स योर हेयर वेरी सॉफ्ट. और अगर आपने ऑयलिंग करके शैम्पू किया है तो और भी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. लाइक यू कैन सी आई हैव नॉट ऑयल्ड माई हेयर बिफोर शैम्पूइंग एंड कंडीशनिंग, बट स्टिल द हेयर आर प्रीटी फाइन एंड लाइक दे आर प्रीटी सॉफ्ट. अब ये क्या होगा, कल है ना थोड़ा और बैठ जाएंगे, विच इज़ द ओनली नेगेटिव पॉइंट in this range. So ideally I will recommend this range for extremely dry frizzy hair and hopefully thick hair also. So this will work wonders for your hair. लेकिन अगर आपके पतले बाल हैं, straight बाल हैं, तो आपको जो है थोड़ा केयरफुली इसको यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. और एक चीज़ है कि आई विल नॉट रेकमेंड टू यूज़ अ वेरी हैवी सीरम आफ्टर यू हैव यूज्ड दिस. कोई लाइट वेट सीरम जैसे कि लिवॉन का या ऐसा कोई आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर आप बहुत हैवी या बहुत अल्ट्रा मॉइस्चराइजिंग सीरम लगाएंगे इसके बाद, तो बाल और भी ज़्यादा बैठ जाएंगे. सो दैट्स जस्ट समथिंग टू टेक नोट ऑफ, दैट डोंट यूज़ अ वेरी हैवी serum after you use this. I have used a serum today. I don't have it in this room. I have it in the other room. It's the L'Oreal Smooth Intense Serum. तो वो Smooth Intense Serum मैंने यूज़ किया है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी नहीं है और बहुत मतलब ठीक ठाक रखता है बालों को. इट डजंट बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस नहीं है सीरम, तो वो मैंने यूज़ किया है. एंड दैट्स द रिज़ल्ट आई हैव जस्ट विद दिस शैम्पू कंडीशनर. So this range is good, not the best range for me. Between this and coconut milk variant, I will definitely choose the coconut milk variant because वो बालों से ना बॉडी खींच नहीं लेता था. बालों को में बॉडी जो है रहती थी और बहुत सॉफ्ट भी होते थे. If not so much, at par with this, अगर ज़्यादा नहीं तो बिल्कुल बराबर से सॉफ्ट करता था. So all in all, it's not a bad product, but I kind of have a like a love-hate relationship with it right now. जैसे आज अभी ठीक लग रहे हैं मेरे बाल, so I'm not mad at this shampoo conditioner, but there are days when this has really irritated me because इसने इतना बालों को like oily कर देता है, flat से बना देता है. तो sometimes I love this, sometimes I don't love it. So that's what is my status with this shampoo conditioner. So that's the reason, the only I think negative thing that I have to say about this. I feel for 400, like for 1250 rupees, it's a good range, but it will not probably suit everyone. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that this has helped you in some way. Let me know your experience of using this range if you have, and everything about this will be linked down below. And I really appreciate you taking out your time to watch this video. And if you have liked it, again, like I said, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit on the bell icon. And with that note, I will see you again in my next one. Till then, all of you take care. Bye.